Very good morning students and welcome back to our online classes of Science Standard 3rd. So students, yesterday we have started our lesson number 12, cleanliness, health and hygiene. Okay, in that lesson we have seen why this cleanliness, health and hygiene, all these things are related to each other and what is the importance of cleanliness, health and hygiene in our life. So students, in that period we have seen to whom we can call a healthy person. Okay, we have seen that that person should not have any kind of sickness or disease. He she has no mental problems. She has no social problems. Okay, no social tensions, or she is not physically handicapped. Only then that person is called physically fit. Okay, or healthy. Now students, we have started the topic condition to maintain a good health, good body, healthy body. Okay, so which are that conditions? In that we have seen good food is very much important, personal hygiene is very much important, then rest and exercise is also very important, and cleanliness in the surrounding is also very important. Now one by one we are going to see that points which are required to maintain a healthy body. Now students, see the first point, conditions. We were studying conditions to maintain a healthy body. So which are the conditions? Okay, now see, first point is good food. First point is good food. Really, good food is very much important in our life because we can stay healthy if we have a healthy diet, healthy food. When we eat a healthy food, good food is very essential for our body. Essential means very important. It provides our body with necessary nutrients. If we are taking good food in a proper amount, that good food provides us the necessary nutrients. Okay, so good food provides us necessary nutrients that are required to our body. These nutrients help us to get rid of the various deficiency diseases. Means it creates such a protective power that we can fight with the various deficiency diseases. It also helps our body to fight against the pathogens. Pathogens means germs, bacteria. Okay, so it also helps us. It creates a power, a protective power inside our body that we can easily fight with the pathogens, means germs or bacteria. Thus we should always take a balanced diet, और हमको balanced diet लेने की भी बहुत ज़रूरत है. Now what is the definition of diet? A diet in which all essential nutrients are present in proper amount. हम उसी को diet कह सकते हैं in which all essential nutrients are present in proper amount. मतलब जिसमें सभी important nutrients सही मात्रा में अवेलेबल है, उसी खाने को हम उसी चीज़ को हम बोल सकते हैं बैलेंस डाइट. ओके, अ डाइट इन विच ऑल एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन प्रॉपर अमाउंट. All the nutrients present in proper amount is called as a balanced diet. Now you can see here in this picture, all the things are very much important. Milk is there, then eggs are there, meat is there, then potato is there, then wheat is there, rice is there, and here one part of the diet is of fruits and salad. Okay, then one part is meat, eggs and fish. One part is wheat, the things that give you carbohydrates, proteins like that. Okay. Now see, one skill fill is given here. Riga was really hungry. She took a bowl full of noodles and ate it. After finishing, she was satisfied. Did she take a balanced diet? Nowadays, students, children are taking a lot of quantity of the fast food. What is the meaning of fast food? Means they are taking pleasure, they are taking interest in eating the noodles, they are taking interest in eating pizzas, burgers. Yesterday only I told you that this food is not good for our health, or we cannot call this food as a balanced diet. So Riga also, when she was hungry, she ate one bowl of noodles when she was hungry. And the question is asked here, discuss did she take a balanced diet? तो उसने जो एक बाउल नूडल्स खाया है तो वो बैलेंस डाइट है क्या? Obviously not. So you have to write there no, because that is the fast food. That comes under the fast food. Now see, personal hygiene. Okay. Now second point is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene includes habits related to cleanliness of our body. These habits include, yesterday only I told you, bathing, cutting your nails, washing your hands, brushing your teeth, combing of hair, wearing clean clothes also comes under the title of personal hygiene. Now see, personal hygiene includes habits related to cleanliness of our body. These habits include, first is bathing. Okay, our body has sweat pores through which sweat comes out. Now, have you observed, students, on our body there are small pores, okay, and these pores are known as the sweat pores, through which our sweat comes out. It makes the skin sticky and produce bad smell, and because of this sweat, it produces the bad smell. Hence, bathing with soap is very important. Hence, you have to bath every day with a good quality soap. Okay, so this is all about bathing. Now see the second point, washing of hands. Now, dirty hands contain germs stick on it. Whenever you are in school, whenever you are at home, your parents are telling you, when you want to eat your food, you have to wash your hand. It is very important nowadays also because of the coronavirus. Okay, so it is very important that whenever you want to eat something, at the first thing you have to do is that you have to wash your hands, because the germs, they are stick to our hands, and when we are eating the food without washing our hands, the germs easily enter our body with the help of our hands. So it is very important, whenever you want to eat the food, whenever you are eating something, at that time you should have to wash your hands, because when food is eaten with dirty hands, germs enter the body and cause various diseases. Thus, it is very important to wash the hands before and after the meals. Now, third point is brushing of teeth. Yes, student, this is also very important. When we eat food, some of the food stick to our teeth, and this food decays in the mouth, giving a bad smell. Now, many times whenever we are eating some sticky food, okay, at that time what happens? Some food enters into our body, and some food is stick to our teeth. So at that time, the food that is stuck to our teeth, they produce the bad smell. They create the bacteria there, and they produce the bad smell. Thus, to remove that bacteria or to remove that decay food that is stuck into our teeth, we have to brush regularly. Brushing our teeth removes unwanted food particles and cleans the teeth, and hence we are away from the bad smell. Now, fourth one is combing of hair. Washing hair and regular combing keep the hair healthy. Now, do you know, students? You have to comb your hair every day. You have to put some oil into your hair every day. It is very important, because It makes your hair strong and healthy. It also keep it free from the hair loss. And whenever you are washing your hairs, they become clean and they are away from the louse. You know the meaning of louse, students? मीनिंग ऑफ लाउज मीन्स जो हमारे सर में जुए होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं लाउज. ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर टू यू? बाथिंग, वॉशिंग ऑफ हैंड्स, brushing of teeth, combing of hair. Now next point is cutting of nails. Now always you are advised to cut your nails. Why? Why your parents are insisting to cut your nails? Because if the nails are not cut properly, dirt and germs get entrapped into your nails. Okay? Whenever you will see your nails, they are full with the dirt. And so when you are eating with that hands, some food that remains into your nails, and when you are eating with your hand, it enters into our body and also it causes various diseases. So it is better to cut your nails, and it makes you stay healthy and keeps you from the various diseases, keeps you away from the various diseases. So does this dirt enter our body when we eat the food and the nails? So the nails should be cut properly. Now last point is wearing clean clothes. Yes, it is also very much important. The clothes usually contain sweat and germs. Now when we are wearing the clothes, some people are having very we can say very much problem of sweating, and when they are because of this sweat, what happens, our clothes contain the sweat and germs which give a bad smell and as well as cause irritation to our body. If we wear that clothes again and again, it causes irritation to our body and thus we have to suffer from various skin diseases. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, हमको स्किन डिसीज का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. So thus we should prefer to wear clean clothes. Okay. Now this is all about the personal hygiene. All these things come under the title of personal hygiene. Now third point is rest and exercise. So I will not tell you students only to work means every now and then you have to work, but rest is also very important to our body. Our body requires rest also. We cannot perform like a machine. Even machine also gets tired, okay, or it gets heated when we are regularly using it. Okay, so our body is also like a machine that requires rest. We can't every now and then we can't perform the activities. Okay, our body also requires rest for some time. Exercise keeps our body fit and strong. Though exercise makes our body fit and strong, it increases the blood circulation. This exercise increases the blood circulation in our body. It helps us to digest the food properly. मतलब एक्सरसाइज करने की वजह से हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है वो रेगुलरली काम करता है, अच्छी तरह से काम करता है. इट हेल्प्स अस टू डाइजेस्ट द फूड प्रॉपरली और उसकी वजह से जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं उसका डाइजेशन इजीली होता है, प्रॉपरली होता है. दस इट सेव्स अस फ्रॉम बिकमिंग ओबेस. और इसके वजह से मतलब समटाइम्स वी हैव टू टेक रेस्ट, ओके, एंड एवरी डे वी हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइज एंड इट सेव्स अस फ्रॉम बिकमिंग ओबेस. ओबेस मतलब कोई बच्चे जो है उनको बिल्कुल कुछ काम करने की इच्छा नहीं होती, वो एक जगह पर बैठे रहते हैं, हाँ, तो उन बच्चों को हम बोलते हैं ओबेस. और ओबेस क्यों होते हैं वो? बिकॉज दे आर ईटिंग द फैटी फूड, टू मच फैटी फूड, एंड दिस कॉजेस ओबेसिटी इन देम. सो when you are taking some rest and doing exercise regularly, it makes your body fit and healthy. It increases the blood circulation in your body and it also helps us in the digestion of the food properly in our body, and we can be safe from becoming obese. Okay, rest is also very important for proper functioning of the body. Yes, just now I have told you that we are not a machine. मशीन को भी जब हम रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हैं, कंटिन्यू यूज़ करते हैं, तो वो भी गर्म हो जाती है। तो हमारी बॉडी भी जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक अ मशीन, हम उसको कंटिन्यू स्ट्रेस नहीं दे सकते, हमको थोड़ा हमारे बॉडी को थोड़ा रेस्ट करना भी ज़रूरी है। तो इफ़ वी वांट टू फंक्शन आवर बॉडी प्रॉपरली वी हैव टू टेक सम रेस्ट। इट हेल्प अस टू स्टे मेंटली अलर्ट एंड फिजिकली हेल्दी। और इसकी वजह से थोड़ा रेस्ट लेने की वजह से हम हमारी बॉडी में जो है फिटनेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और हम फिजिकली हेल्दी भी रह सकते हैं। रेस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्लीप हेल्प्स टू स्टार्ट बेटर। और अगर थोड़ी देर अगर हम रेस्ट करते हैं, सो लेते हैं, तो उससे हम रिफ्रेश फील करते हैं, मतलब हमको फ्रेश महसूस होने लगता है और हम हमारा जो भी काम है वो नए सिरे से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्लीनलीनेस। यस, सभी चीज़ें घूम फिर के कहाँ पर आती हैं? क्लीनलीनेस की तरफ। So yes students, it is very important for you to keep your body clean, to keep yourself clean. Okay, now see what is the importance of cleanliness. First, we throw out so much rubbish or garbage every day from our homes. हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे घर में बहुत सारा कचरा जमा हो जाता है, तो वो कचरा हम जमा करके हमारे घर के आजू बाजू में फेंक देते हैं, स्कूल के बाहर फेंक देते हैं, शॉप्स में, ऑफिसेस में जो डस्टबिन रहती है वहाँ पर हम कलेक्ट करते हैं। द ग्रोसरी आइटम्स दैट वी परचेज आर पैक्ड इन प्लास्टिक बैग्स और टिन्स। जो भी हमारे घर में ग्रोसरी आती है तो वो प्लास्टिक बैग में आती है या तो प्लास्टिक के टिन में आती है। ऑल दिस रैपिंग मटेरियल गो आउट एज ए गार्बेज। और ये सब जो कचरा है, मतलब इसमें का जो मटेरियल है जो हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं और बाकी जो रैपर है वो क्या हो जाता है? वेस्ट हो जाता है। It is collected as garbage when this is thrown in open. And what we are doing? We are throwing this garbage in open. It heaps of it and accumulate in the surrounding, making our environment dirty. And if we are continue throwing that garbage outside of our house, it continues to pile up, heap up, and it makes our environment very dirty, because bad smell starts coming out from it, and we feel very uneasy by doing this. So we have to avoid using plastic bags. First thing we have to do is we have to avoid using plastic bags. Okay, many big cities, in many cities plastic the use of plastic is banned. बहुत सी बड़ी बड़ी सिटीज़ जो है वहाँ पर अगर प्लास्टिक बैग यूज़ करते हैं तो उनको फाइन भरना पड़ता है। ओके, सो इफ़ दे आर यूजिंग द प्लास्टिक बैग दे हैव टू यूज़ इट वेरी केयरफुली, दे हैव टू थ्रो इट प्रॉपरली आफ्टर देयर यूज़। ओके, एंड in some cities it is totally banned, means they have to use the paper bags. Okay, so it is very advisable to you not to use the plastic bags. Now you can see in this picture there is a pile of garbage, heap of garbage, and how it looks very dirty. It makes our environment very dirty and we cannot feel fresh in like this environment. Now see, some people spit on the open. बहुत से लोगों को बहुत गंदी आदतें होती हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? पान खाते हैं, गुटखा खाते हैं और ओपनली दे क्या करते हैं? वो क्या करते हैं? थूकते हैं ओपनली और उस जगह को वो गंदा कर देते हैं। ओके, सम पीपल स्पिट। व्हाट इज द वर्ड फॉर दैट? स्पिट, SPIT, स्पिट मतलब ओपन जगह पर थूकना। ओके, एंड डिस्ट्रॉय द ब्यूटी ऑफ द प्लेस। और इसकी वजह से वो क्या करते हैं? जो भी अच्छी चीज़ है उसकी ब्यूटी जो है वो कम कर देते हैं। नाउ next is some people eat groundnuts, fruits and throw its peels and shells on public places. Now this happens many times when we are traveling in the train. Some people are eating the groundnuts, they are eating the fruits, they are eating bananas, and they throw that banana peels and the groundnuts shells on the public places. For example, in train they are throwing out these things there only, and it further destroys the cleanliness of the place. किसी को भी साफ सुथरी जगह पर बैठना पसंद होता है। कोई ऐसा है क्या कि जिसको गंदी जगह पर, जहाँ पर आजू बाजू में सब कचरा फैला हुआ है और वहाँ पर वो बैठेगा नहीं। हर किसी को क्लीनलीनेस पसंद है। ओके, सो अगर हमको खुद को क्लीनलीनेस पसंद है तो हमको दूसरे लोगों को भी मोटिवेट करना चाहिए टू कीप द प्लेस क्लीन। ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मेनी टॉयज, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट थ्रोन इन ओपन आल्सो बिकेम सोर्स ऑफ गार्बेज। बहुत से लोग क्या करते हैं, दे आर यूजिंग चार्जर्स, दे आर यूजिंग देन कॉर्ड्स, wires of the mobile phone, and when they are damaged or they are broken, they just throw out that electric waste in the open place, so it becomes a source of garbage. तो वो भी क्या है, एक तरह का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कचरा है। उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, तो हमारा जो एनवायरनमेंट है वो क्या होता है, पोल्यूट हो जाता है। Garbage destroys the beauty of the place. Now here you can see in this picture how the electronic waste is. Here in this picture you can see how the electric garbage is collected on one place, and it seems very unhealthy. It destroys our environment. हमारे आजू बाजू का जो सराउंडिंग है उसको वो डिस्ट्रॉय करता है। Now ways to improve the surroundings. हम किस तरह से हमारे सराउंडिंग को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। तो all these things are related to our cleanliness. तो हमको मतलब खुद के बॉडी के साथ में ही हमारे सराउंडिंग की क्लीनलीनेस जो है उसका भी ध्यान रखना है। सो इज दिस क्लियर टू यू स्टूडेंट्स? आर यू गेटिंग ऑल द पॉइंट्स दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन टू यू? Cleanliness of our body is also very important, but cleanliness of the surrounding also important at the same time. Okay, so now let's move forward.